It was kind of an off day, so we decided to head down to Toronto to a grocery store called Seafood City. Food as far as the eye can see. And of course, who do we have to take with us but little Cokie? Now, Coke has to stay in the car because he'll eat all the food in the store. So you stay there and be good, Coke. So let's go inside and have a look. Of course, you have to line up with the rest of the mass bandits and wait for your number to be called, or at least the numbers in the store to drop.
A few moments later.
Alas, now we're in. Boy, this store is bigger than I initially thought. There is lots of stuff here. So let's wander around and have a look and see. First off, we have our fish. I'm not sure how fresh it is, but at least it's on ice. It's fairly expensive, but I guess not too bad if you're a fish lover. Then we have our fresh crab, and boy, they don't get much fresher than this. And just look at this guy. He definitely doesn't want to go in the bag, and I don't blame him. Now to the meat section, we have our fresh pork, and I don't think this guy made it. But boy, there's a lot of meat here. We got sausages, everything you could possibly imagine. Then my all-time favorites, the pork chops and the loins. I just love these, and really, the price isn't too bad. Some chicken feet if you're so inclined. I don't know how these chickens made it back. And like any major grocery store, you have your bread and your buns. Bread galore. There's a lot of good bread here though. A lot of good Asian dried goods. I should mention too, this is a Filipino store as well, so there's a lot of good Filipino stuff here too. And a store wouldn't be a store, and we wouldn't be human without our snicks and snacks and chippies. Canned fruits galore, and I should mention guys, this canned fruit you can't get in most other stores. You pretty much have to go here. More pouches of spices and mix, a lot of them mamacitas, which is famous in the Philippines. Then our bottles of Monto Mass and banana ketchup. If you can ever try that Monto Mass stuff in the brown bottle, it is incredible. Of course, our frozen goods, many of them very specific to Asia or Asian cuisine. These big woks you can see, I found them absolutely fascinating, and I'm going to buy one when I get $139 just to play with. They're for street vendors. Your plastic goods and whatnot for various household purposes. And of course, a store would not be a store without that wonderful fresh produce. And there's a lot of it here, and it is fresh and it is good. Bananas, I like my bananas. And I have to mention, guys, this is my all-time favorite, some Korean kimchi. I just love kimchi. It is so good. If you haven't tried it, you have to try it. Now this section was interesting. Eden cheese, $7.99. In the Philippines, you can buy it in the local store for about $1, even under $1. $7.99. Can you believe that? Last up, we're going to have some lunch in the local eatery, which kind of mimics Filipino street food, but the food is somewhat good. It's not like the street food in the Philippines or stuff you cook at home, but it'll fill your belly. Alrighty then, folks, we're done here at Seafood City. $150 later, and there is not much in the cart. But nevertheless, we're going to load up the trunk and head on that long pilgrimage back home. Okay guys, before we go here, I'm going to eat my halo halo. It's going to be good, I think. Now this is ube on the top, and the reason I'm eating it is because I don't want it to melt. So let's give this a try. Very similar to ice cream, just not quite as heavy. But it is really good. Let me dig down there a little further and see what I can get. Interesting texture. Kind of a mixed bag of everything there. Sorry about that. It's good though. You got to try this. Seafood City, the only place to go where you can see all the food. I'll stop with the corny jokes. I like this ube ice cream. Oh, we got Koki in the back seat. He wants halo halo too, but he can't have it. He'll be sick. Cheers. So thanks guys for joining us on our trip to Seafood City. If you enjoyed it and liked what you saw, hit that like button of course. Stay safe guys, and see you next time.